Over the course of the past 2 years, many Bahamians have found themselves out of work, out of insurance, or having their health insurance downgraded by their employers. In service industries where employees have experienced reduction in hours, many have found themselves unable to afford any health insurance. This is why LAMP, Doctors Hospital's Loyalty Advantage membership program, was created. I'm Alexis Burrows, Marketing Director of Doctors Hospital. Today, my colleagues and I will be talking about Doctors Hospital's LAMP program and how it can help you save money on healthcare services. Keep watching. This is You and Your Money.
You and Your Money is brought to you by Doctors Hospital Health System.
Welcome to You and Your Money, everyone. Again, I'm Alexis Burrows, and I'm today's guest host. Here with me to talk about the Doctors Hospital Loyalty Advantage membership program, also known as LAMP, is Doctors Hospital Results Manager Chazelle Smith. Welcome to the show, Chazelle.
Thank you, Alexis.
So let's start at the beginning. Why is the LAMP program so beneficial?
LAMP is beneficial for several reasons. First of all, members of LAMP have access to Doctors Hospital's entire health system, inpatient services, outpatient services, lab, imaging, pharmacy, and we have several locations across the Bahamas, in New Providence, in Grand Bahama, as well as in Exuma. Our system is JCI accredited. We were the first in the region to get that accreditation, so you also know that you're going to get quality health care when you come to Doctors Hospital.
What is the cost of membership?
One of the things we're proud of with LAMP is that the membership is incredibly affordable. So we have two paid plans. One is the insurance supplement plan, which we'll explain a bit later, but that plan is actually only $30 a month per person. Then we have the prepaid primary care plan, and that's only $40 a month per person. So essentially, for a little over $1 a day, you can get a full comprehensive primary care coverage plan.
Right. Now, I know one of the questions that a lot of people have when they first hear about LAMP is there a specific criteria that somebody has to meet in order to enroll?
Actually, there isn't. So unlike most major medical insurances where you maybe have to do a physical or you may be excluded based on pre-existing conditions, there's no physical required. We don't exclude based on pre-existing conditions. Essentially, all you need to do is sign up.
Once people sign up and they receive their membership, they get their digital access card. How does that work? How can they use it? Where can they use it? What all benefits does it kind of give them access to?
Also a great question. So when a person gets their virtual card, they're able to use their benefits at any Doctors Hospital location. Something we're also working on is providing benefits outside of the Doctors Hospital space as well. Rashan will get into some of the specific benefits further on, but we're talking about pharmacy, imaging, doctor's visits, lab visits, rehab, nutritional counseling. So once you have that access, you're able to use those benefits at any of our facilities.
Okay. And how long do new members have to wait before they're able to tap into that service, those LAMP benefits?
There is a waiting period of 30 days, but once those 30 days have passed, the member has full access to all of their benefits.
Chazelle, you mentioned that there are multiple LAMP plans and ones that benefit both insured customers as well as uninsured customers. For people who have insurance, why might they be interested in LAMP? What benefit is it to them to get LAMP if they already have health insurance?
That's actually a really common question that we get. Persons always say, I have my insurance, what do I need LAMP for? So what we found, especially during the pandemic, was that persons would have their insurance plans, but because of a lot of the economic crisis that was going on, they probably could not pay their co-pays or their co-insurances. And so persons who join our insurance supplement plan, that's the plan that's $30 a month, that actually waives co-pays, co-insurances for a number of common outpatient services. So primary care, doctor's visits, prescriptions, lab services, rehab. And so that becomes a huge benefit to the insured client who can essentially walk in and walk out without having to ever even see a cashier.
Chazelle, we have to take a quick break, but I want to dive into the specific benefits of each LAMP plan when we get back. You're watching You and Your Money. We'll be right back.
Whether you're battling a chronic condition or offsetting a new injury, Doctors Hospital's comprehensive rehab services offer the help you need now.
Go to doctors.
3 advanced facilities at Collins Avenue, Carmichael Road, in Cable Beach means your personalized plan for care is just a visit away. From physiotherapy to occupational therapy and speech and language pathology, our team approach is all about rebuilding together. For a full list of services, visit doctorshosp.com/rehabilitation. Doctors Hospital, trusted and best care now. Isn't your health worth it?
Doctors Hospital's pharmacy introduces a new spin on prescriptions called Pick Up Now, Pay Later. That's right, you can collect your medications first and pay after. How does it work? Step 1, submit a prescription online. Step 2, select the pickup site. Step 3, collect your medication. And Step 4, pay online within 14 days. For more info, call us at 242-302-4785 or visit us at doctorshosp.com.
At Doctors Hospital, our lamp just got brighter. The Loyalty Advantage membership program now has 3 unique plans to choose from. From Lamp Prepaid with free prime care visits and service line discounts, Lamp Insured with copay waivers and 0 upfront collections at the ER and inpatient services, or our new Lamp Access, a free plan that offers 10% off labs, pharmacy, and imaging. Lamp has a plan for everyone. To sign up, visit our website or give us a call. Doctors Hospital, trusted and best care now.
Doctors Hospital is pleased to announce our ambulatory surgical center located at Centerville Medical Center, number 68 Collins Avenue. This state-of-the-art facility offers outpatient same-day surgical services. Our team of skilled and attentive nurses, technicians, and administrative staff are ready to serve you and provide the highest quality care while offering competitive pricing in outpatient surgeries. Patient benefits include online pre-registration, pre-surgical screening, and anesthesia evaluation and clearance, all in a safe, COVID-free environment. We're open Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you have questions, feel free to contact us by phone at 302-3260 or by email at surgerycenter@doctorshosp.com. Doctors Hospital, trusted and best care now. Isn't your health worth it? Welcome back to You and Your Money. If you're just now tuning in, I'm Alexis Burrows, the guest host for today's show. I'm also the marketing director of Doctors Hospital. The month of July is celebrated as the anniversary of LAMP, the Loyalty Advantage membership program at Doctors Hospital. Today we are talking with the LAMP leadership team. Before the break, results manager Chazelle Smith, who is still with us, gave us an overview of how the program works for both uninsured and insured persons. Joining us now to talk about the specific benefits of each LAMP plan is LAMP coordinator Rashan Simonet. Welcome to the show, Rashan.
Thank you for having me, Alexis.
What I want to ask you about as you join the show is specifically the benefits offered by the LAMP plans. And I want you to talk about the insurance supplement plan as well as the prepaid primary care plan.
Sure. So for our insurance supplement plan, this particular plan ties in with your major medical insurance. So that's like your Colina, your Bahama Health, your BAF, Atlantic Medical, etc. And what this plan offers is co-payment waivers on certain service lines. We have our prime care visits, whereas we would waive the co-payment on that particular service line. We have our lab works, we have our imaging and pharmacy services as well. Those co-payments are waived. We also have rehab sessions, that's your occupational therapy, speech therapy, or physiotherapy. And as long as your insurance approves those sessions, most times they approve up to 30 sessions, those co-payments would be waived as well. We will also absorb the balance after your annual, Most annuals are capped at a particular amount each year. And normally it's not enough. So therefore we say we will cover the balance after the insurance pays out as well. Now, certain services like your emergency room and your inpatient, we will not waive the co-payments. However, we will allow you to pay us later. Monthly installments, no interest. The only thing we ask is that you do not have any outstanding balances with the hospital and you leave a payment agreement on file, whether it's a credit or a debit card.
So that covers the insured plan. So what about the prepaid plan?
So the prepaid primary care plan, which is my favorite plan, this plan is for the uninsured. This provides unlimited prime care visits. And when I say prime care, that's your general practitioner or your family medicine. Those visits are like if you're feeling under the weather, headaches, pains, swelling, you just want to know what's going on with your body. Those are free each visit, and that's pretty good. You also get one free annual with your blood works as well, which is covered at 100%. In terms of discounts, you would receive 30% off prescription medications and 30% off diagnostic blood works, which is pretty good. I tell persons you cannot get 30% off of any healthcare service in the Bahamas, so that's a pretty good discount right there. You will also get 2 free imaging services. Anyone know imaging is very costly, and that can be an X-ray, ultrasound, CT, or MRI. So 2 free per year is pretty good. We also have 1 free mammogram per year added onto the plan as well for screening of breast cancer, especially breast cancer is pretty high in the Bahamas, so you want our ladies, we want to make sure I get our screenings for that. We also have 2 free nutritional consultation with our dietitian. And then, of course, we have 20% off of our rehab services. Once again, that's your physiotherapy, your speech therapy, or your occupational therapy. Those are the benefits for the outpatient services. Now, for the emergency room, normally we require a deposit of $3,000, but as a member, you will only be required to pay $500 deposit. And that's pretty easy to find compared to $3,000. And what we will allow you to do is pay the balance off on a monthly basis, as long as you do not have any outstanding balances with the hospital and you leave a payment agreement on file. For persons who are admitted or inpatient, the benefit as a member is that you will receive 20% off of the room fees or the facility fees once you are discharged and the bill is finalized. However, the deposit is still required in full. So it's pretty good benefits.
Yeah, I mean, that is a laundry list of benefits, and it covers a comprehensive suite of services offered at the hospital. Chazelle, Rashan mentioned, some of the different benefits offered. Can you quantify some of that? So, for example, she referred to, the 2 free imaging scans. So, can you quantify from a cost-saving standpoint what type of savings that would be for people if they were coming in for imaging, for example?
Yep, that's a great question. So a lot of people don't realize until they need it, but imaging services they can be really costly. So a CAT scan can cost you $600 to $800. An MRI can cost $1,200 to $1,500. These are services that we offer for our prepaid primary care members, 2 free a year. So if you have an incident and you need to get an x-ray of your arm, you can get that service and not have to pay for that. And that can oftentimes make the membership pay for itself.
Yeah, I mean, I've had the experience of using LAMP specifically in the imaging space, and it is a cost saver, that is for sure. Rashan, I know one of the things that people are going to want to know listening to this, and me as a parent, I'm sure I can relate as well, but what is the process for adding dependents to the LAMP plan? Can they be added, and how does that work?
Most definitely. So the process is very simple. LAMP is for all ages. So kids, we definitely welcome them. And the good thing about our enrollment is that it's very simple. We do have an online process, and even if you need assistance, any one of our LAMP reps, they will be definitely happy to assist with onboarding kids as well. But it is for each and every individual.
You mentioned dependents, specifically referring to kids, but I realize, does that also apply to like parents, grandparents? If you had an elderly relative, would you also be able to add them as a dependent?
Definitely, LAMP is for all ages, from the cradle to the grave, like I like to tell my members now. The answer is never no. We do not turn away anyone, no matter the age, no matter the pre-existing conditions, like Chazelle would have mentioned earlier. It is for everyone.
Now, before we wrap this segment, Chazelle, can you just speak to how members pay for their membership and what is needed from a cost perspective to enroll?
Sure. So it's really easy to pay for your membership. So we allow persons to pay online via our online payment portal. Persons can do bank transfer, or if you prefer, you can come in person to the cashiers at our Shirley Street location at Doctors Hospital. We do have a requirement for the prepaid primary care plan that persons pay 3 months up front. So that would essentially be paying the first 3 months $40 a month at that rate. But thereafter, a person can pay monthly if they prefer as well. We have some members who like to pay for the full year so they can set it and forget it, but we're very flexible with payment terms for our members.
And I understand that we'll be adding some new centers soon where you can also make LAMP payments outside of the main hospital space, correct?
Absolutely. So there's also our CMC location, so there's cashier's options there. We're going to be opening up a new location at Doctors Hospital Carmichael. That will also have a cashier. There's Doctors Hospital Meldon across the street from Commonwealth Bank on Mackey Street, and that's also a cashier's payment option as well.
Rashan, I want to thank you so much for coming on. Chazelle, when we get back, I want to talk a little bit about NHI and LAMP for employers. This is You and Your Money. We'll be right back.
At Doctors Hospital, our lamp just got brighter. The Loyalty Advantage membership program now has 3 unique plans to choose from. From LAMP Prepaid with free prime care visits and service line discounts, LAMP Insured with copay waivers and 0 upfront collections at the ER and inpatient services, or our new LAMP Access, a free plan that offers 10% off labs, pharmacy, and imaging. LAMP has a plan for everyone. To sign up, visit our website or give us a call. Doctors Hospital, trusted and best care now.
Whether you're battling a chronic condition or offsetting a new injury, Doctors Hospital's comprehensive rehab services offer the help you need now.
Go to doctors.
3 advanced facilities at Collins Avenue, Carmichael Road in Cable Beach means your personalized plan for care is just a visit away. From physiotherapy to occupational therapy and speech and language pathology, our team approach is all about rebuilding together. For a full list of services, visit doctorshosp.com/rehabilitation. Doctors Hospital, trusted and best care now. Isn't your health worth it?
Doctors Hospital's pharmacy introduces a new spin on prescriptions called Pick Up Now, Pay Later. That's right, you can collect your medications first and pay after. How does it work? Step 1, submit a prescription online. Step 2, select the pickup site. Step 3, collect your medication. And Step 4, pay online within 14 days. For more info, call us at 242-302-4785 or visit us at doctorshosp.com.
Doctors Hospital is pleased to announce our ambulatory surgical center located at Centerville Medical Center, number 68 Collins Avenue. This state-of-the-art facility offers outpatient same-day surgical services. Our team of skilled and attentive nurses, technicians, and administrative staff are ready to serve you and provide the highest quality care while offering competitive pricing in outpatient surgeries. Patient benefits include online pre-registration, pre-surgical screening, and anesthesia evaluation and clearance, all in a safe, COVID-free environment. We're open Monday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you have questions, feel free to contact us by phone at 302-3260 or by email at surgerycenter@doctorshosp.com. Doctors Hospital, trusted and best care now. Isn't your health worth it? Welcome back to You and Your Money. I'm Alexis Burrows, today's guest host. I'm also the marketing director of Doctors Hospital. Again, it's the month of July and we are celebrating the 2-year anniversary of Doctors Hospital's Loyalty Advantage membership program, also known as LAMP. We are continuing our discussion on the LAMP program with Doctors Hospital Results Manager, Chazelle Smith. So Chazelle, I want to talk a little bit about NHI. Currently, there are over 100,000 Bahamians enrolled in the National Health Insurance Program. Can you talk a little bit about how LAMP and NHI play together and where they overlap?
So that's a really good question. So one thing that's great about NHI is that it is a publicly offered program that any Bahamian can join. And so essentially a person who joins NHI and they choose a provider, they have access to free primary care visits, and then some lab services are covered. Doctors Hospital is an NHI provider, and we're proud to be an NHI provider. However, we do realize that for primary care, the visit and labs oftentimes is not enough. So for instance, it's very common that after your doctor's visit, you're probably going to get a prescription. You may need to do an ultrasound or an x-ray. And so what we offer to our NHI patients, so essentially persons who have selected Doctors Hospital as their facility and provider under NHI, is some additional discounts at no charge. And so that would be 15% discount on prescriptions, as well as a 15% discount on labs that NHI does not cover. We also offer one free imaging service a year. And so that helps to really cover the full spectrum of what a person may encounter when they deal with primary care.
Okay, so Chazelle, you mentioned the imaging benefits. Can you speak to anything else that exists in that LAMP NHI space? Are there any additional benefits for nutrition, for other imaging services, anything like that?
Yep, absolutely. So LAMP as well as NHI, we sit in a very primary care space. We're in a country where there's tons of lifestyle related illnesses, and we know that a lot of that's related to diet. And so even in our NHI plan, like our earlier plans we talked about, prepaid primary care, insurance supplement, we do provide 2 free nutritional consults, and that's huge for managing a lot of the chronic and lifestyle related illnesses that we see in the primary care space. Furthermore, I know we talked a lot about mammograms, and we talked about the rate of breast cancer in the Bahamas. NHI does not cover the routine mammogram, and so what we also offer to NHI members who are under Doctors Hospital is that they get a free mammogram per year.
Oh, wow. So a lot of amazing benefits that you're talking about there, Chazelle. But I want to switch gears a little bit. You know, we've been talking a lot about LAMP from an individual standpoint. But if I was an HR manager or a business owner, would I be able to engage with Doctors Hospital about getting LAMP for my staff as an additional benefit?
Yeah, Alexis, certainly. So I could probably talk about it in 2 tranches. So there's the employers who already provide major medical insurance for their staff, but there are also the employers who do not. We know that major medical insurance is very expensive. Some insurance companies can sell you a major medical plan per person for $400 or $500 a month, and that's just not feasible for a lot of businesses, especially small businesses. So what we oftentimes do with these clients is we work together with them to develop a plan that works for them, for their team, for their specific needs. So you have some small businesses who want to make sure that their staff can get into the ER without issue if they need to. We also have some companies that want to make sure that their staff can get their annuals every year and make sure that they're at least getting that basic health coverage. Then the other side of the spectrum is companies who do have major medical insurance, but their staff say these co-pays are expensive. And so we offer also plans that help to sort of whittle down some of those out-of-pocket pressures through the co-pay waivers, through the co-insurance waivers.
Okay, awesome. So where does someone go to find out more information about LAMP? I know we've covered so many bases, but what's the contact point for LAMP?
So to contact us at LAMP, you can go to www.doctorshosp.com/LAMP, LAMP, or you can contact us via phone or WhatsApp at 825-LAMP, or you can email us at lamp@doctorshosp.com.
So before you go, can you just give us a quick recap of what LAMP offers?
Sure. So LAMP, as we like to say, is Doctors Hospital's flagship affordable care membership plan. We're really proud of the fact that we've been able to provide affordable plans in the range of $30 to $40 a month that cover a spectrum of primary care, imaging, lab, pharmacy, nutritional counseling, rehab, ER, you name it. It's something that we offer to all Bahamians regardless of their age, regardless of pre-existing conditions. It's easy to join and anyone can sign up online.
All right. Awesome. So thank you for joining today's show, Chazelle. It's been a lot of great information, both from you and from Rashan Simonette, who was on earlier. And for anybody who wants to know more information about LAMP, Chazelle kind of gave you all of the rundown, but for general inquiries at the hospital, you can call us at 302-4600. I'm Alexis Burrows. It has been a pleasure hosting today's show. Don't forget to follow You and Your Money on social media and tune in next week for another great episode. Thank you for watching.
You and Your Money was brought to you by Doctors Hospital Health System.
Don't let